looks behind him to see if the rest of our herd is coming.
No, I mean, I want to pull back, so
yes.
I don't hit him.
Keep going, Paul! No, she turned around! Oh!
Yeah, feed him the Japanese
Is that on tape, Chris?
Oh yeah.